this is Tammy with IVS Computer Technology, bringing you part 2 of our Smart Response video tutorial on locating and using Smart Response pages that can be found within the gallery. In our last video, I walked you through where to find pre-formatted Smart Response question pages. In this video, we're looking at how we can use those to collect information from our students. We're going to first look at using those Smart Response templates on the fly to poll our students, to check for understanding, and even to gauge student comfort level before moving on with instruction. After that, we're going to look at how to use these Smart Response templates to collect scored feedback, where we can preset the responses so that our students are going to get feedback on their clickers, whether they answer correctly or incorrectly. Let's first take a look at using those Smart Response templates on the fly. At any point during instruction, you can bring one of those Smart Response templates from the gallery into your Smart file. This is what we looked at during our last video. After that, we're going to press the Start Assessment icon in the toolbar. Looks like a multiple choice question with a green play button on it. It's going to send the question to the student clickers and they can begin to respond. Once you've collected data from your students, you're going to press the Stop Assessment icon on the toolbar. Looks like a multiple choice question with a red stop button. At that point, your data is going to be compiled within the Smart Response tab. So let's take a look at how we can use these templates in the classroom. This is one of those Smart Response templates. This is the traffic light template. And you'll see that it's going to have our students respond with A, B, or C, depending on their comfort level. So once I press that play button or the Start Assessment icon in the toolbar, the question is going to be sent to student clickers and they can begin responding right away. Once you've collected responses from your students, you're going to press the Stop Assessment icon in the toolbar, and your data is going to be compiled so you can view it within that Smart Response tab. So this is a great way to poll your students and check to see how they're doing during a lesson. Another example of those templates from the gallery that we can use on the fly is a yes/no question. Now this is going to work best for poll data. For example, did you like this book, or do you think our hypothesis is correct? But we can also use those question pages in order to collect data from our students. You'll notice when I go to the Response tab, this is a numerical question, and our students have responded with their answers. However, neither answer is recorded as correct. That's because we can use these on the fly to check for understanding, but the answers have not been set, so there's no correct or incorrect response. The teacher will correct these on their own. So if you'll stay tuned for our next video tutorial, we'll take a look at how we can set those responses so students will get feedback on their clickers of how they responded correctly or incorrectly.